Welcome guys, this is length units converter Python program with graphical user interface. This program will convert the length from meter to feet, meters to inches, feet to meters, feet to inches, inches to meters, inches to feet. Let's run the program. Enter the value, enter 1000 and convert from meters to feet, and it provide the result. Here you can change the unit. So here select feet and here select inches, enter 1000 and convert, and it provide the result 12,000. Similarly, you can convert from feet to meters and it gives the answer 304.80 meters.